everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a coaster from paper and hot glue. In this video, I will show you how to make a cupcake coaster. First, you need to cut the paper in the shape that you want for the cupcake. I'd like it to have fillings, so I draw faces on. We have two pieces for the cake, so we need to draw in both. The green paper sticks are for decorating the cup. I glue them on both sides of the cup. Now I attach the cake to the cup. And you are halfway done. Next, you place the paper cupcake onto a non-stick pan, but don't turn on the heat yet. Heat up the glue gun and draw a border line around the cupcake. Leave it a bit wider than the size of the cup, so you can cut it off later. It's really fun to do this. Now you can take out the cupcake, heat the pan on low, continue to fill until the hot glue completely covers the surface. Then you can place the cupcake on and continue to fill the hot glue all over the cupcake. Remember to keep the heat as low as possible because you don't want to burn the paper. Next, turn off the heat and let it cool down for 5 minutes. Pour water onto the pan and then slowly peel off the cupcake. Now trim off the edge carefully and you have it done. For more videos like this, please check out our channel. Thank you for watching.